What up, guys? Today we're going to talk about Browse AI and how to use Browse AI. For those of you that don't know, Browse AI is a tool that you can use to scrape and monitor data from any website at scale. It's written right here. And currently, the tool is the one that people are talking about a lot now. And so today I'm just going to test it out. So they have a lot of pre-built robots. You can extract Amazon search results, extract Audible titles, extract details and reviews from Etsy. They also have it for real estate too, so you can extract directly from real estate websites like LoopNet, Airbnb. They also have a recruiting for places where people do freelance jobs. They also have for social media, so TikTok, YouTube. Same thing with our search engines, so you can use Google search results, Bing, DuckDuckGo, digital publishing, so stuff like Google News, Ghost, Hacker News, Substack, market research, so things like Craigslist, Eventbrite, and then from technology sites like Futurepedia, from Zapier, Google Workspace Marketplace. So we're just going to pick one. I'm just going to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm just going to go with Futurepedia. Click on check details. So you can use this automation. Oh, by the way, you have to log in or you have to sign up. I have a link in the description below that you guys can use and to do it. So you can log in and sign up with Google, or you can log in and sign up with your email. So AI detail page from Futurepedia. So let's see, AI detail page. So let me just do Futurepedia. Let me just go to futurepedia.io real quick and just look at for a tool. I'm just going to use a random tool. By the way, Futurepedia is like some AI directory. So I'm just going to pick a tool, random tool. Okay, I'm going to pick Futurepedia with Leonardo AI. Next step, and then it says configuration AI detail page, and then click on finish. And then let's see, it's going to extract the tool details for us to see. All right, so it scraped the data for us regarding Leonardo AI. So as you can see, it got us the name, the categories, the rate, pricing model, pretty much everything you need from it. So it shows you the homepage right here, still loading. So this is it right here. You see how it goes? It's gonna navigate to the original URL, capture visible text name, capture visible categories, capture the rates, capture the pricing model, going all the way down to the overall score, which is what you have over here. Now you can also set up things like monitoring, so you can monitor the page so that it can update the data as much as possible. Things that you can use Browse AI for example is if you have a competitor and you just want to get as much as you can from their good products, you can do that. Another thing that they have, I'm going to show you guys again another new one. So if I just go to dashboard, as you guys can see, I have one too with my own website in which I was able to script my own website. I was able to script my own website. I got a text unlocking the power of AI, your weekly dive, and was able to script the front page. And as you can see, navigate to original URL, capture visible text, capture full page screenshot. And that's what I wanted. Now, Browse AI itself, as I told you guys before, it's good for you to get competitor information. And for those of you that are into things like that deal with data analytics, data visualization, and stuff like that. You can also build a new robot if you want it, or you can keep on using their pre-built robots. Now, I'm just going to show you guys this. They have an API. So you can come in here and create your own API key and integrate it with Zapier and Make.com. So pretty much you extract information from a website, and then once you've extracted information from a website, you can then use it in your automation. So depending on how you want to do it. Some people may want to extract information from a blog post and then have it automatically. So remember the monitoring that I showed you guys, you extract it automatically, and then after that, you send it over to Zapier or Make.com and then set up an automation that may maybe publish on social media or share to a Google spreadsheet for your team, things like that. I'm just going to show you guys their billing real quick. So currently, I'm on a plan that gives me 50 credits, but I'll show you their billing. So typically people pay monthly and you get 2,000 credits per month, and you can get up to 5 websites, so 5 root domains, up to 3 users, 2,000 credits per month. You get full platform access, and you can also add additional websites for $5 a month. You get unlimited robots, so different robots. Remember, I told you guys you can create your own robot, or you can use their own pre-created robots. You also get the professional, you get unlimited robots, you get 10 websites. So this is at the amount of websites you can go with per month. 5,000 credits per month. Same thing you get here with the full platform access, additional websites for $3 a month. And you then get the premium, which gives you up to 600,000 credits per year. So you get unlimited credits, pretty much full platform access and everything. This type of AI tool is good for people that I told you. These are people who have teams and they have data teams, so data visualization, data analysis teams, and people that are into advertising, as they try to advertise as much as possible. So that's what I would recommend. Browse AI tools.